Hi kids. In this video, we will learn N family words like ben, den, hen, pen and more. Let's read, spell and say them together. Let's start.
A
N,
N B N B A
N.
Ben Ben
Let's repeat it again.
Ben A
N,
N D N D A
N. Den. Den. Let's repeat it again. Den.
A
N,
N H N H A
N.
Hen Hen
Let's repeat it again.
Hen A
N,
N M N M A
N.
Men Men
Let's repeat it again.
Men A
N,
N P N P A
N.
Pen Pen
Let's repeat it again.
Pen A
N,
N T N T A
N.
Ten Ten
Let's repeat it again.
Ten
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.